In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch domains in Google Workspace efficiently. The process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes of your time. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to Google Workspace. If you're already familiar with how to do so, great. But if you need a little guidance, simply open up your preferred web browser and search for Google Workspace to access the main page. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the admin console. This is essentially the control center for managing all aspects of your organization's Google Workspace account. You can find the admin console option prominently displayed on the main screen. Now it's time to log in using your business email address. Ensure that you're using the correct credentials for your organization's account. This part is crucial as the admin console requires full access permissions to authorize these changes. If you're not already logged in, input your business email and password to proceed. Now that you're logged in, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Google Apps menu, the grid icon that contains various app shortcuts. Click on this menu to reveal a selection of available apps. From here, you'll need to select the admin icon, which will redirect you to the admin dashboard. This is where all the administrative magic happens, from user management to domain configurations and more. Next, direct your attention to the account section within this dashboard. On this platform, it may appear under a tab or section that's localized specifically for managing domains. After selecting account, the next logical step is to access the domain section. This link will bring you to a comprehensive layout of your current domain settings. Here you'll see all the details regarding the domains associated with your account. From the domains page, you'll need to select Manage Domains. This is where the core of today's task happens. As the name suggests, this is the area dedicated to managing all aspects of your organization's domains, including adding, removing, or switching between them. Finally, this is the pivotal point where you actually switch your domains. On the Manage Domains page, you'll find an interface that allows you to make necessary changes to your domain configurations. Depending on your requirements, you can add a new domain or switch from the current one to another. Just make sure to follow the on-screen prompts and save your changes. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to switch domains in Google Workspace. Thank you for tuning in and following along today. With these steps, you've now got the knowledge to effectively manage your organization's domain settings. Hope that was helpful, and see you next time.